Hello, in this video I will show you how to make an effect appear when the user rests his mouse on an object and when he leaves it. This would be the effect. The user goes to a text and automatically change their style. In this case I created this effect of yellow pointing. Then, when comes out of it changed to another color, I putted red on it. This is how it would be doing it in the three texts. Well said this. Let's start. First of all you have to have an object to change to. We go to the body and create. I did three texts, separated with a space. Then we leave the body and outside, we make a script where the JQuery is used. If you don't have it, you can use a CDN. You can find it in the video description. When we already have the JQuery, we create another script. Inside we will do the following. First we create a variable that we call obj. Then we assign the object to that variable. In this case it is just p, which would be the text. And finally we make two functions to be activated when touching. One when the mouse is touching and one when it leaves. Out of this we do two functions. We create the first function that is for when the mouse enters. We apply a style effect to create a yellow background and also another to increase the size of the letter. We create the second function that is for when the mouse leaves. We apply a style effect to create a colored background and also another to increase the size of the letter. We finish and close the script. If you followed all the steps you should see something similar to what you see on the screen.